Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about what is meant by a combination and its related problems. In this session, we shall discuss about the problems on combinations. If a convex polygon has 170 diagonals, find the number of sides of the polygon. In a convex polygon, 170 diagonals are there. We have to find the number of sides, that is, we have to find n. From data, what is given? 170 diagonals are given. So, we know that in a polygon, the number of diagonals is given by NC2 minus n, that will be equal to 170. So, we know that NC1 is equal to n, NC2 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, NC3 will be equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. NC4 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, here NC2 is there, NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2 minus n will be equal to 170. We shall take LCM. So, n2 is the LCM. So, n into n minus 1 minus 2n is equal to 170. Cross multiplying, we have n into n minus 1 minus 2n equals 2 into 170 is 340. So, now multiplying this, we have n into n square minus n minus 2n will be equal to 340. So, n square minus 3n minus 340 will be equal to 0. So, we have to factorize the quadratic equation, that is n square minus 20n plus 17n minus 340 will be equal to 0, that is splitting the middle terms. So, I can take n common, we get n minus 20 plus, in these terms we can take 17 common, we have n minus 20 is equal to 0. So, n minus 20 into n plus 17 is equal to 0. So, n minus 20 is equal to 0 or n plus 17 is equal to 0. So, n will be equal to 20 or n will be equal to minus 17. n is the number of sides. Since number of sides cannot be negative, we have to reject n equals minus 17. Therefore, n equals 20. Therefore, the number of sides of a polygon is 20. So, that completes this problem. A team of conveners consisting of 4 lecturers 4 boys and 2 girls has to be selected from 15 lecturers, 10 boys and 12 girls. In how many ways? The selection can be made if the 2 lecturers who were conveners last year have to be included and 3 boys who failed in the examination cannot be chosen. So there are 3 different categories. One is the lecturer category, another one is the boys category, and the third category is the girls category. So lecturers, boys, girls. Here there are 15 lecturers, 10 boys, so 10 boys and 12 girls. So here 2 lecturers who were conveners last year have to be included. -2, that means we have to select the other lecturers from the remaining 13 lecturers. And in the 10 boys, 3 boys were failed in the examination. So they cannot be chosen. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So actually we have to choose 4 lecturers. But already 2 lecturers have been included. So we have to subtract from 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now 4 boys are to be selected and 2 girls are also to be selected. So number of ways is equal to, from 13 lecturers we have to select 2 lecturers, that is in 13C2 ways, and from 7 boys we have to select 4 boys, that is 7C4 ways, and from 12 girls we have to select 2 girls, that is 12C2 ways. Therefore the number of ways is equal to 13C2 into 7C4 into 12C2 ways. So 13C2 means 13 into 12 divided by 2 into 1 into 7C4 can be written as 7C3, by using the property NCR is equal to NCn minus R. That is 7C4 is 7 minus 4, that is 7C3 into 12C2. So that will be equal to 1 za, to 6 za. So 13 into 6 into 7C3 is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 12C2 is 12 into 11 by 2 into 1. So here 3 2s are 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. 2 6 are 12. So that is equal to 13 6 are 78, 7 5 are 35, 6 11 are 66. So that will be equal to 180, 180. So that completes this problem. A committee of 4 has to be chosen from 10 boys and 8 girls. In how many ways can this be done? If girls are in a majority, there are 10 boys and 8 girls. So boys there are 10 and girls there are 8. So here we have to select the committee if girls are in a majority. So there should be girls majority, girls should be in majority. So we will not select a boy, so it is 0. So we select 4 girls because the committee consists of 4 members. So we are selecting 4 girls. Number of ways is 10C0 into 8C4. So next we can select 1 boy and 3 girls. So total there are 4. So number of ways is 10C1 into 8C3. We can't select 2 boys and 2 girls. If we select 2 boys and 2 girls, then the boys and girls are equal. But here girls are in a majority. Therefore, we can't select equal number of boys and girls. Therefore, total number of ways equals 10C0 into 8C4 plus 10C1 into 8C3. So that is equal to 10C0 is 1 into 8C4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus. So 10C1 is 10 into 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So here 3 2s are 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So that will be equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 into 7 70 plus 3 2s are 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. plus 10 into 8 sevens are 56. So that will be equal to 70 plus 10 into 56 is 560. That will be equal to 70 plus 560, we get 630. So that completes this problem. If NP5 is equal to 24 into NC4, find N. So solution. From data it is given that NP5 is equal to 24 into NC4. So NP5 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. So that will be equal to 24 into NC4. So NC4 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 and 24 will get cancelled. Next, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 will get cancelled. So the remaining terms are n minus 4 will be equal to 1. So n will be equal to 5. So that completes this problem. If NPR is equal to 240, NCR is equal to 120, find N and R. Solution. So we know that R factorial is equal to NPR by NCR. So R factorial is equal to NPR is 240 and NCR is 120. So R factorial is equal to 2. R factorial is equal to 2 factorial. That implies R will be equal to 2. Given that NPR is equal to 240. So now we have found that R is equal to 2. Therefore, NP2 will be equal to 240. So NP2 is nothing but n into n minus 1. That will be equal to 240 can be written as 16 into 15. So that implies n is equal to 16. That completes this problem. A team of 8 players has to be selected from 14 players in how many ways? The selections can be made if A, two particular players are always included. B, two particular players are always excluded. So we have to select 8 players from 14 players. In how many ways the selections can be made if 2 particular players are always included? Since 2 particular players are always included, so we have to select 6 players from 12 players. From 12 players. So that can be done in 12C6 ways. Next B. 2 particular players are always excluded. So that means since 2 particular players are always excluded, we have to select 8 players from 12 players. So that can be done in 12C8 ways. Okay, thank you.